Scotty, what in the hell?
In the trunk.
I can see that.
Right? To try and get...
You getting that amp out?
Yep.
Look at this. I'm not going to get too cuddly with you, but... You know, if I get any closer, we're going to have to get married.
Right? And I think maybe...
Whoa. Damn, son. One last screw that's bound up. Oh my God, he's got the amp out. Ooh, let me see. What are you looking for? Cutters? Right there. Scalpel? Scalpel.
Right?
Scotty just said, I'm going to get in the trunk. What? Well, I'm up there measuring and trying to figure out what we need for the proper air cleaner and the proper water pump. Oh, wow. It was still kind of halfway hooked up. Look at that. Scotty, is this what a cool amp was when you were a kid?
Pretty much.
So your horse and buggy had this amp?
Yes. And the system needs to be bled. Oh,
for the top?
yep.
That's...
Give me camera.
Oh, yeah. Here, camera.
Camera.
Okay.
Can you guys see the air in the line that's right there and goes across?
Yeah.
And then it's fine. So we definitely need to make arrangements and do some bleeding while we're here.
It's easy.
And Bobby knows how to bleed these suckers. I just know how to put the lines in.
Yeah, Danny's car.
Yeah, 3 times in a row.
US made ones to show up.
Yep. But that needs to be done yet, so we'll make arrangements with the client.
You gotta get the rest of the wires out from behind the seat. Chase that.
So, but yeah, we're almost done, peoples. At least with the, oh, sorry, that's the roof of the trunk, not the lines. So we got that. The amp is out. The wires are on the floor.
So
Bobby can show you that.
Yep, we'll get the back seat out and get that out, which will also allow us access to the to bleed in the top. It'll make it easier. And Scotty's going to get the top motor back in there, the bushings back in their home. You want me to help you?
Yeah, go that way.
Yep. What do you want me?
Either hand that you can grab. Slow, because I've got things in my back.
That sounds like a weekend personal problem.
Yeah, let go.
Yep. And we are replacing this. We've already discussed this, so don't worry too much about the trunk weather strip. We actually are waiting for Alan to give us a quote on the full weather strip kit. So you can actually pull that out, Scotty. You know why?
Well, until then...
At least it's mostly kind of sealed.
Exactly. I don't want to take any chances. It's not mine.
Yet. I'm just kidding.
Yeah,
I know you want.
I don't want to take,
I know you want one, though.
Oh, I love these things, dude. Absolutely gorgeous.
And with that, we will continue on. Thank you, Scotty.
You're welcome.
All right.